Social Media Marketing Crash Course, Social Media Analytics and Insights. Introduction. Welcome to the Social Media Marketing Crash Course. In this lesson, we will explore the world of social media analytics and insights. Social media platforms provide a wealth of data that can help businesses understand their audience, measure the effectiveness of their campaigns, and make data-driven decisions. In this crash course, we will share interesting stories, delve into the top 12 social media analytics methods and techniques, and equip you with the knowledge to harness the power of data for your social media marketing success. Stories and examples. 1. Starbucks and social listening. Starbucks, a renowned coffee chain, used social listening to gain insights into customer preferences and trends. By monitoring social media conversations, they identified popular flavors, trends, and customer feedback, which influenced their product development and marketing strategies. 2. Airbnb and sentiment analysis. Airbnb, a leading vacation rental platform, employed sentiment analysis to gauge customer sentiment towards their brand. By analyzing social media mentions and reviews, they gained valuable insights into customer experiences, identified areas for improvement, and refined their customer service. Top 12 social media analytics methods, techniques. 1. Social listening. Monitor social media platforms for mentions, hashtags, and conversations related to your brand, industry, or competitors. 2. Sentiment analysis. Analyze the sentiment behind social media mentions to understand customer perception and identify areas for improvement. 3. Audience demographics. Utilize platform analytics and third-party tools to gain insights into the demographics of your social media audience. 4. Engagement metrics. Track likes, comments, shares, and other engagement metrics to measure the effectiveness of your social media content. 5. Reach and impressions. Measure the reach and impressions of your social media posts to understand the extent of your brand's visibility. 6. Click-through rate, center. Monitor the center of your social media links to evaluate the effectiveness of your call to action and drive website traffic. 7. Conversion tracking. Implement conversion tracking pixels or tags to measure the number of conversions and their sources from social media campaigns. 8. Social media listening tools. Utilize social media listening tools to track brand mentions, sentiment, and industry trends across multiple platforms. 9. Competitor analysis. Analyze the social media strategies of your competitors to identify areas of improvement and stay ahead in the market. 10. Content performance analysis. Evaluate the performance of your social media content by analyzing metrics such as engagement, reach, and conversions. 11. A/B testing. Conduct A/B testing of different content variations to identify the most effective strategies and optimize your social media campaigns. 12. Data visualization. Use data visualization tools to present social media analytics in a visually appealing and understandable format. Summarization. Social media analytics and insights provide invaluable information for businesses to make data-driven decisions. By leveraging social listening, sentiment analysis, and audience demographics, you can gain a deep understanding of your target audience. Engagement metrics, reach, and impressions help measure the effectiveness of your content, while click-through rates and conversion tracking evaluate campaign success. Competitor analysis and content performance analysis keep you ahead in the market, and A/B testing drives optimization. Finally, data visualization presents information in an accessible format. Poem. In the realm of social media, insights unfold. A treasure trove of data waiting to be told. Social listening. A window to the chatter. Understanding trends. What truly matters. Sentiment analysis. Emotions in the air. Customer perception. Brands need to care. Audience demographics. A glimpse into the crowd. Crafting strategies. Making them proud. Engagement metrics. Likes and shares. Evaluating content. The audience cares. Reach and impressions. A brand's visibility. Measuring impact. With precision and agility. Click-through rates. Leading the way. Driving traffic. Where users stay. Conversion tracking. A path to follow. Measuring success. For a brighter tomorrow. Competitor analysis. Staying in the race. Learning from others. Setting the pace. Content performance. A critical gaze. Optimizing strategies, in so many ways. A/B testing, exploring the unknown. Discovering what works, seeds sown. Data visualization, a picture so clear. Insights presented, crystal and sheer. Song. Verse 1. In the world of social media, a data-driven land. Insights and analytics, held in the palm of our hand. Social listening, conversations abound. Tapping into trends, where insights are found. Chorus. Sentiment analysis, emotions to explore. Understanding perception, making customers adore. Audience demographics, knowledge of the crowd. Crafting strategies, making them proud. Verse 2. Engagement metrics, the audience's voice. Likes, shares, and comments, the ultimate choice. Reach and impressions, the brand's visibility. Measuring impact, with accuracy and agility. Chorus. Click-through rates, a path to pursue. Driving traffic, making connections anew. Conversion tracking, measuring success. Conversions and sources, a true progress. Bridge. Competitor analysis, learning from the best. Staying ahead, surpassing the rest. Content performance, evaluating the game. Optimizing strategies, aiming for fame. Chorus. A/B testing, exploring the unknown. Uncovering what works, seeds sown. Data visualization, presenting insights clear. Visualizing data, making the vision appear. Outro. *****, start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8 = 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.